Let's make this quick and easy Prego roll. All the recipe ingredients will be listed in the comment section, so just be on the lookout for the pinned comment. In order for us to do this simple recipe, we're going to start off with our steak. We'll add that into a bowl, and then we're going to move over to season our steak. So the seasoning that we're going to be using for this recipe is the 7 Colors Grill seasoning. You'll add that onto your meat, and then you'll give that a mix just so that everything can be evenly combined. Once you're done with that seasoning, you're going to move over to a pan which is lightly greased with some oil, and then you're going to add your steak onto that pan. You will then saute this meat until it is well cooked through. So once your steak is fully cooked, you're going to remove it into a separate bowl, and then in the same pan we're then going to be making our Prego sauce. So to start off with, we're going to add some red onions, which we're then going to saute until they are nice and translucent. Then to that we're going to season them with some salt, and then we're going to be adding some sugar just so that we can glaze them. Once we've given that a quick mix and it's evenly distributed, we will then add our garlic and ginger. You'll give that a quick mix just so that you can evenly distribute everything. Then you're going to go on ahead and add some Worcestershire sauce. And then you'll also add some Prego sauce. You'll give that a mix, and then you'll allow it to simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes just so that it can start to reduce. Once it has started reducing, you can then go ahead and add your steak. You'll give this a mix until all your steak is evenly coated in the sauce. Then we're going to move over to our rolls. So for preparation of our rolls, you're just going to spread some butter on your rolls, and then you're going to put that on a hot pan just so that your bread can crisp up. Once that is done, we're then going to move over to the assembly. So for assembling, you're just going to take your Portuguese roll, you're going to add some lettuce, then you're going to be adding some jalapenos for some spice, and then later on we're going to be adding the steak that we've just prepared with all the sauces, and that is it.